Hey everyone, welcome to another DelfStack tutorial. Today we'll explore how to save a Notepad file on your desktop. If you're new to Windows or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the simple steps to create and save a text file, right where you can easily find it. First, open Notepad by clicking on the Start menu and typing Notepad. Then click to open it. Once Notepad is open, type anything you want. Now to save your work, go to the top left corner, click on File, and then select Save As. A window will pop up, and on the left side, choose Desktop as the location where you want to save your file. Type a name for your file, making sure it ends with txt to save it as a text file. Finally, click the Save button, and that's it. You have now saved a Notepad file directly on your desktop. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials.